Open your favorite web browser and search PostgreSQL in the search bar. You're going to find it most likely appearing in the first spot, but just make sure that you're clicking on the one that says www.postgresql.org. Click on downloads right here. Then you're going to see that they're giving you the option to download it for multiple operating systems. In my case, I'm using Windows, but you might be using Mac or Linux. Just choose the one that you're working with. Download the installer, click on it, and then choose the latest version. Again, this is based on your operating system, so make sure you're choosing the operating system that you're using. In my case, it's Windows. So click it right here. It's going to download in just a second. After downloading, go to your downloads and just double click on it. Then this pop-up will show up. It says set up PostgreSQL. You click on next here, click next, keep it in the default location. Selecting components, we'll be selecting all of them. You're going to need all of them. So click on next. Data directory is also the same, next. And then you provide a password. Put in a password you won't forget, next. And then just keep the port the same as is. Next here as well. And the installation part, just click on next, next again, and just wait for it to finish installing. Okay, I paused the video, but it took about 5 minutes to finish installing. After installing, just click on finish here and you're all set.